Hey guys, welcome back to GreenTGarden. Beautiful day in New York. Hot, beautiful weather. Today guys, I'm going to show you right here how to transplant a plant from indoor to outdoor, or from a small container to in ground. Basically, I left it out in a couple of days in the sun. Bring it a couple days in and out, in and out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in this hole right here. So you see I got my whole garden going on there. So basically guys, empty spot. This is my weed barrier. So one there, two there, three. And another thing guys, like this soil, it was wet. I watered the garden yesterday, and this soil I wetted yesterday, so it's much softer and easy. So you come like that. Oop, it's kind of windy out here today. Alright, so now the trick how to get this out guys is easy. What you do, you squeeze this gently, any container, like side by side, gentle. You kind of put your two finger like this to the plant and the soil, cover it down. See that? Tilt it over backward, tap it a little bit. You might have to push it down, and then see that? So all the roots, there's no space for the roots. This should have been moved maybe a week ago guys, and that's my fault. You see, look at that, perfect fit guys. What I'll do, loosen up the soil a little bit. Press the soil down so it goes all the way down. If you don't press the soil in guys, when you water, then all the soil is gonna just suck in under, and you're gonna have a gap right there. So I like to press that in good. So all the excess soil guys, I keep for different location more, whichever need more soil or whatever I'm moving. Plant it safe and all good. So what I'm gonna do basically, I'm gonna get my water, come water it gently now around it, not to wet the plant. So another tip guys, if it's too hot, I don't suggest moving the plant when it's really hot, but I'm not gonna be later here, so I have to move it right now. I'm gonna water it. I'm gonna put a container in front here to block the sun and the breeze a little bit, just for the first day or two. So alright guys, so there you go. Hopefully this video was helpful in some kind of way, and if you do like this video, please give a thumbs up. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's 100% free, and there's a lot more video coming all about garden, learning every single thing that we can.